Regardless of the woodworking project you're tackling, you're going to want your workpieces to be as flat and smooth as possible. A benchtop planer, a portable version of a heavy-duty commercial planer, helps to achieve just that, using extremely sharp blades to reduce thickness and eliminate rough spots, inconsistencies, and uneven surfaces. For basic woodworking and other home projects, you don't need the professional planer used for industrial jobs. Benchtop planers don't come cheap, they're typically priced upwards of $400, but they're invaluable if you're doing home improvement projects like building a shed or making bookcases. The machines are also ideal for professionals who work on site at different locations and need to prepare wood during jobs. There's a lot to know before making this investment, which is why we consulted with experts on staff to review the best models, plus offer advice on what's important to consider before buying. Number 1. DeWalt DW735X 2-speed thickness planer. This DeWalt 2-speed high-capacity benchtop planer is a powerful, solid workhorse. It boasts 10,000 revolutions per minute speeds to power cuts up to 1/8 inch in depth. The 3-knife cutter head design means blades last longer and replacing them is easier. Choose the speed that works best for your purposes. 96 cuts per inch would be a good choice for dimensioning and 179 cuts per inch for finishing. The benchtop planer has a sturdy 19.75-inch cast aluminum base that provides a solid, rigid foundation. The automatic carriage lock is a big help in snipe reduction. The fan-assisted chip ejection keeps chips out of the way and away from the cutter head. Number 2. Craftsman planer. This Craftsman wood planer is a reliable yet surprisingly budget-friendly choice in the benchtop category. The 15-amp motor can power the double-edged reversible blades at speeds of 8,000 revolutions per minute. The Poly V cutter head drive and double-edged high-carbon steel knives enable a high degree of versatility, meaning it will easily handle any type of wood and has no trouble with glued materials. It can accommodate board widths of 12.5 inches and allows cuts of up to 1/8 inch deep. Users rave about its smooth operation and easy setup. Add a dust collection system to the built-in dust chute to minimize mess. 15-amp benchtop planer motor allows for superior stock removal as its 8,000 RPM cutter head speed provides 16,000 cuts per minute. The 2-knife, quick change, solid steel cutter head of the surface planer assures smooth operation and long life. Ideal for dimensioning lumber to a desired thickness, and even planes glued up materials. Number 3. Jet JWP13BT benchtop planer. With 26 two-edged blades, this jet wood planer consistently delivers accurate, smooth cuts of up to 1/8 inch deep. Blade inserts can be replaced quickly and easily, which helps minimize downtime and keep your projects running on time. Thanks to the powerful 2 horsepower, 13.8 amp motor, the blades can spin at speeds of 10,000 revolutions per minute. The cast iron bed and stability enhancing design keeps operation secure and wobble-free to reduce snipe. It also has a 4-inch dust collection port and comes with a 3-year warranty. The Jet 13 inches benchtop planer delivers the power and efficiency that woodworkers demand in the shop. The Jet 13 inches planer produces a smooth and consistent cut surface thanks to its helical style cutter head with 6 rows of 26 individual quick change inserts which can be easily rotated or replaced if damaged or worn. This helical style cutter head design helps reduce noise as its powerful 2 horsepower 15 amp motor is turning at an impressive 10,000 RPM. Features include a rugged 4-post design, adjustable folding tables, 2-in-feed speeds, and a sturdy cast iron base which helps reduce snipe. Number 4. Delta Power Tools 22 to 555 13-inch portable thickness planer. There's a lot to like about this benchtop planer, but of all its features, the reversible dust port is what makes it a standout. Being able to collect wood chips from the front or back is certainly handy, and potentially cuts down on the amount of time it takes to complete a job. Its knife system is another plus that helps make quick work of projects. The dual-edge blades are disposable, so there's no need to fiddle with alignment jigs. Other highlights of this 15-amp thickness planer include a 13-inch maximum board width, 10,000 revolutions per minute maximum speed, and lightweight build, plus it comes with a 5-year manufacturer's warranty. Number 5. Makita 2012 NB 12-inch portable planer. If your workshop lacks space, this 12-inch benchtop planer is worth a look. It's compact and quieter than most at only 83 decibels, and its 15-amp motor provides plenty of power. It's also considerably stable, designed with a proprietary automated head clamp to keep boards secure while you work. That translates to better performance overall, plus the portable planer has a quick feed rate of about 28 feet per minute. There's no doubt that it's an impressive package, but for the price, the 1-year warranty is a definitely shortfall. The 2012 NB is compact and lightweight for easy transport to the job site. The 2012 NB has faster and easier blade changes, and uses disposable double-edge planer blades. The LED light indicates that the planer is plugged into the power source, and the large paddle on/off switch is easy to operate. The 2012 NB also has a detachable toolbox for storage of the standard equipment. An optional dust hood enables a dust collection system to be connected to the planer.